Bola pa rin dito ng Yehey. Here's Elden. Sidestep. Bigay sa ilalim. Belarma masking his way. First 2 points for Yehey. Rebound goes to Elden. His one hand. Ayaw. Another serving Belarma there for the cleanup. This is an opening. He lines it up for three. No. Belarma is there. Oh my. How about Belarma? Marte. Crossing it over. Marte. Bounce pass to Flores. Flores can finish. Right now, Belarma banks it home. 60-59. Elden on the move. Jumper. Misses there. Belarma. Yes. Onyola on the move. 5 seconds. Belarma banks it home. Liban the fake to Enal sa ilalim. Extra pass. Good interior passing. Coming